This is Rekha Sharma. In previous session we have discussed about the use of globe and a map and why they are important for us. But in today's class we'll talk about how to fill the map and how to locate places on a map. So let's start today's session. Children, here it is India's political map. As you all know, India's political map. What is political map? Political map is that which shows the boundaries of the countries and the states. Now look at there India's political map. First we will go through with it. This is the map of the India and we have to fill the states. Children, when we go to start the map, first we find out the direction. There is arrow shown north side, that is north, and the downward, that is south, and the east side, this is the east direction, and here it is west. So when we are going to fill the map, we first fill from the north side. At the north there is, you can see the state. Earlier it was the state Jammu and Kashmir, but now it is declared as the union territory by the Indian government, that is Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh. Now children, after the Jammu and Kashmir there is a state that is named Punjab, and at the down Punjab there is Haryana. Both the states share its capital, that is Chandigarh. And after this, the Rajasthan is the state which is the largest state of the India, and its capital is known as Pink City. Now coming down at the Rajasthan, there is the state is Gujarat, and where the father of the nation was born. Now children, coming down to the Gujarat, there is a state Maharashtra, that is also known the Bollywood city. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. After this, now you can see the smallest state of India, that is Goa, and its capital is Panaji. Now coming down to the Goa, there is a state Karnataka, and it is also known as the IT hub of India. Bengaluru is situated here. Now there is a state at the corner known as Kerala. Its capital is little longer. The name of the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Now children, come towards the right side from the bottom. The first state is Tamil Nadu. This is the state where Chennai is located. Now upwards we'll find the state Andhra Pradesh, which is the divided from few time back from the Telangana, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. At the bottom of the Andhra Pradesh you can see the state, it is Telangana, and its capital is Hyderabad. Coming forward to the next Indian territory, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is located in the Bay of Bengal, and its capital is Port Blair. As you can see, it is located in the water body. These are the island groups of India. The one is Lakshadweep, it is located in the Arabian Sea, and the other one is located in the Bay of Bengal. Now coming forward, there are the another union territory, that is Chandigarh. Earlier we have talked about, this is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Both the states share its capital. Now students, coming forward to the next topic, that is India's neighboring countries. Now look at the map. There are 7 neighboring countries of India. From the north side there is Afghanistan, then downward that is Pakistan. They both share land boundaries with the India, and here is the China. It shares the largest land boundary with the India. Here you can see there is a Nepal. This is the country where the world's tallest mountain, Mount Everest, is located. Near Nepal you can see the small country, that is Bhutan. It's also share land boundary with India. And at the down you can see the Bangladesh, that is separated from the Pakistan few years back. And here you can see the Myanmar. This is the country which share land boundary with India. These are the 7 neighboring countries that share land boundaries with India. And here you can see at the down Sri Lanka. It is not share the land boundary with India, but it is separated from the Pak Strait. That line you can see, the smallest line, this is the Pak Strait which is separated India from Sri Lanka from the India. Student, this Pak Strait is separated from Sri Lanka to India, and Sri Lanka is an island country just nearly 20 kilometers from our southern point Rameshwaram. Dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed this session with me and your doubts are cleared that how to fill India's political map. Thank you. Good luck. Near the area or the city surrounded the National Capital Region, commonly termed as the NCR. Now little move forward to the mountainous region. There is Himachal Pradesh and its capital is Shimla. It is famous for the mountainous region or the nice weather. We can spend our summer holidays or a good time with our family. Now coming down to the Himachal Pradesh, there is a state Uttarakhand and its capital is Dehradun. There are many temples and a sacred river Ganga is flowing through it. Dear students, I think you all get to know how to fill map of Indian political or how to locate places on it. We have discussed all the states and its capital. Now I am going to tell you about the union territories and how to fill it on the Indian political map. Now look here. This is the Indian political map. Now there are some 8 union territories. The list of the union territories is first Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. 5th is Delhi. 6th Jammu and Kashmir. 7th is Ladakh. 8th is Lakshadweep and 9 is Puducherry. Now children, you will ask what is union territories? Union territories are special administrative sectors in the Republic of India which operate directly under the central government and they are controlled by central government. So we are going to start to fill in Indian map the union territories. Here you can see the all union territories. The first, that is state. Earlier it was state Jammu and Kashmir, but now it is divided by the Indian government. It is Jammu and Kashmir. It's a union territory, and the second union territory is Ladakh and its capital is Leh. Now coming down, as you all know, its national capital Delhi. It is also a union territory. Now coming down, there is located Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. There is some important facts about it. In November 2019, children, the Government of India introduced legislation to merge the union territory of Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli into a single union territory. Now, mark my words, this is a single union territory to be known as Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So, coming down, this is Lakshadweep Island and it is also a union territory. Both these union territories are located in the Arabian Sea. Now coming to the east side direction, there is a union territory Puducherry. It is located near the state Tamil Nadu. Towards the west, we'll see the state, that name is changed Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Now we'll go towards little west side. There is a state that is West Bengal and its capital is, as you can see, Kolkata. Now children, go little west. The state is located Jharkhand, as you can see, and its capital is Ranchi. It is very important place because it is the place where the Indian cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni was born. Now little go to the upwards. There is state Bihar and its capital is Patna. Now children, we'll go to the northeast part. As you can see, these are the state. First, there is Arunachal Pradesh at the top and its capital is Itanagar. Now coming down, there is, you can see the state that is Assam and its capital is Dispur. Near this, you can see the state is located Nagaland and its capital is Kohima. At the down Nagaland, you can see the near state is Manipur and its capital is Imphal. At the down Manipur, you can see the next state that is Mizoram and its capital is Aizawl. Now children, near Mizoram, you can see the small state that is Tripura and its capital is Agartala. As you all know, these 7 states are known as the Seven Sisters, and its brother is that is located between the Nepal and the Bhutan, the two countries, that is Sikkim, and its capital is Gangtok. Yes children, now all these states are very famous for the unique cultures and festivals that take place in these states. Children, here we find the state Bihar and its capital is Patna, and near this adjoining the state is UP, that is full name is Uttar Pradesh, and it is very populated state of the country. Here below the Punjab and the Haryana. Children, near Uttar Pradesh you can see the smallest place. Here we can find the national capital Delhi. It is also union territory as well as the national capital. And children, do you know this place